Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be trolling. I got my guest outfit ready. We're going to be trolling. I was here somewhere. I was blocked something. It was somewhere here. So... well, it was here somewhere. What? Okay, let's try block. No, maybe I guess how can you tell? We'll do it there. I don't really know what these feelings are at this point. Okay, so... okay, we're gonna join. No. I did a bunch of videos for this, but I was like, it was wrong. So just keep doing. I got like 2 warnings. Because then I noticed that something was happening. Because I wasn't recording our area. And now it is, so. Okay, is anyone here working or something? It's another language. Oh. My boy ran. My boy ran. We'll let you know, people here. But, maybe there's an add-on or something. We have to rejoin because, like, nobody there. Dang it, what the fuck are they wearing? Okay, so, really want them to have a bow. So that's, if they have it, then that's what I will be trolling. So, yeah. Oh no. God. Okay, well, that was stupid. Servers. Oh, dang it, that was full. Damn it. Let's find one that isn't full, I guess. Because that one was 33. What? Damn it. So, I want to join that one. It's gonna be like name 1. If it's a it is the same. Or not. Or yes. Oh, guys, but again, troll. I don't know what any Sunny was hell. I guess. You need Roblox people, you need to get a server. Hotel, I guess. I'm just gonna say that. Oh. Hotel Elephant. That's some hotel. Sunset. This is what it's called. Check the store. Everything is half off. Good for you. 10,000 Robux and 5,000. Oh my god. If I had $1 more anything, I would probably get it because I'm free. Yep, anyways, my Robux. Most likely. Like, they almost spent it in one day. Literally, they almost spent the Robux in one day. Welcome, hello. Hello. Oh. Damn it. do some more work here. Got it! I like how they said it, like, got it! How long does everything going on? And I feel calling me, baby. Oh, 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 there's a going on. Give me it. Oh my god. Make me. Loser. Oh my god. God. I'm getting on my nerves. So stupid. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm finally in front. Oh. Okay. I won. Okay. So. Like, what else? Oh my god, if I was a boy, I bet I would be a sassy one. Any room. And do it fast. Thanks, sucker. Water perk, what is this? I know nobody. I was like a flapping fish, like when they're out of the water, you know. Oh my god, that was really funny. I was literally flapping like one. I think I turned into one. Oh, room 4, I guess? Guys, I'm guessing it's this side. Or something. I'm guessing it's this side then, what? Oh no. I didn't want to wait. What the hell? Probably like on floor 3? Guys, I'm sorry, it took 10 minutes for this shit. Just that line was so big. Well, yeah. Hello, I am on copies. Well, this place is stupid. So I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm really sorry. I kinda, trolled, but okay.